Help you? Over here.
Yeah, I was wondering if there was anyone who could move this car. I'm parked here and I'm just like trying to get home. It's really late.
Yeah, that's fine. However, you know that you parked in my driveway, right?
Oh, yeah. So sorry about that. You know, friend just really wanted me to come over and there was no parking on the street. And you know it was wide open, and I thought it'd be okay.
So you thought it was going to be okay to park in
I
someone's
didn't-
parking?
I'm sorry, man.
Did you pay for
didn't
that?
know.
I pay for that, you know?
Yeah.
Did you?
No. I didn't know it was gonna be this late. I thought it was gonna be just like in and out. Yeah,
It's 2 in the morning.
yeah. It was wild. Like they really needed me. They've been going through a lot.
You look like you've been going through a lot.
Yeah. Kind